This is a route that goes through two of the poorest neighborhoods in Minneapolis, in both South and North Minneapolis, and it's a main connector to downtown. We have an opportunity to bring something called mobility justice into neighborhoods who often don't have the same access to transportation that other folks do. So it's about time, and it's over time, that we have bus rapid transit along the 5 corridor.
We propose and fully support the funding the remaining $20 million for the D Line project, which would bring BRT to Route 5, traveling 18 miles from Brooklyn Center through Minneapolis and Richfield to Bloomington. And we're doing that because more than 120,000 people live within a half mile of the D Line. Of these, about a quarter of the folks are youth, nearly 10% are seniors, 57% are people of color, and more than 40% are folks who are low income. Our budget proposal would make transit more available to potential riders and give another 500,000 people access to a 30-minute transit commute to work.
We also know from experience from the A Line that the investment in BRT spurs economic development and growth. It increases ridership and helps create density along some of these major transit corridors.
As one of the largest healthcare providers in the state of Minnesota, we find that having access to reliable public transportation is extremely important to Allina Health, and it will support the future vitality of this campus, Abbott Northwestern Hospital, the largest hospital in Minneapolis. The D Line is the alternative that we've been waiting for on this campus. Not only will it ease congestion in the area, it will provide more of our employees with the reliable option to get to and from work. Transportation is foundational to access healthcare, and this D Line is another important step forward in serving the needs of our patients and the residents of our neighborhood.
The D Line could be the first of 10 new BRT lines over the next 10 years. 10 BRT lines in 10 years. More local bus service, more amenities, better technology, and customer information. More electric buses are part of this package too, about 220 of them over the next 10 years. This type of transit system is what we need for our region.